Hey guys, in this video I'm going to explain to you how you can get a Costco membership card, and it's really easy and simple. So first things first, you come on the Costco website, okay? Click on the membership section right here, and now you can choose our membership type between a personal membership and a business membership. So in these two also you'll get two options. So basically you can choose between a personal membership and a business membership, and then you can also select an executive membership for either type. Okay. Then guys, what you want to do is you want to fill out the membership application online. Okay, you have to enter your primary card holder and optional household card holders personal information. You can save and continue the process, and then what you have to do, guys, is you have to pay for your membership, and then you have to wait for an email with your membership number. And what you want to do, guys, is you want to take that email and a valid government issued photo ID to the membership counter at your local Costco. Okay, these membership cards will not be mailed to you. You want to go to the local Costco, go to the membership counter, have your photo taken and your card printed. And it's really that easy and simple. So I hope this video helped you out, guys, and if it did, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions. Turn those bell notifications, guys, to get notified of the next video, and I'll see you in the next one.